subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
The Lenovo-owned Motorola has launched its new affordable 5G phone under G series in China called Moto G53. Now let's talk about the specifications of the smartphone. The Moto G53 5G features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by unspecified octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset, paired with 4 or 8GB of RAM that can be extended up to 3GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Moto G53 5G supports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes one 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the hole punch at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 13 out of the box with MIUI 5.0 skin on top, and it packs with a massive 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support, but the user will get 10W charger inside the box. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.7 by 74.6 by 8.2mm, and it weighs around 183 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Moto G53 5G has been priced in China for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 899 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1099 Chinese yuan. The smartphone will be available for purchase in the country in black and silver white color options. So what do you guys think of this Moto G53 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.